Bill making its way through the Senate could do away with signature bonds. News Channel 6's Ashley Jones tells us some criminal justice activists don't like it.
If you want to put conditions of release on somebody, if you want to make them pay bail, make it affordable.
Jeremy Churston is the policy advisor with the Bail Project. He's talking about Georgia Senate Bill 402, which would limit who can post a recognizance bond. He says it criminalizes the poor.
Any bill that imposes restrictions, takes away an ability for a judge to release somebody pre-trial without any conditions, is going to disproportionately impact poor people. It's going to disproportionately impact people of color.
Senate Bill 402 was first introduced to the Senate last year. It would take away the option for people to be released by promising to appear for their trial date. They would have to pay their bail and pay it in full.
The ability to release those people for free is without any kind of bail is going to be gone. And it means that people are going to have to pay something either to get their freedom, and these are people who are presumed innocent.
Right now, removing the signature bond option only applies to felony charges like DUI and murder. Churchner says the biggest issue with this bill is that there's no assessment from a judge.
It would be up to the judge to decide whether any kind of conditions of release should be set. So prior to this legislation, a judge could have said, if you're charged with one of the now 25 charges that are in the statute, I don't believe you're a risk. I think you are going to come back to court. You can go home.
Vic Hawk with the Hawk Law Group says there are pros to this legislation.
It's designed to create some uniformity in the application of release via bond.
That is not a legitimate concern. We should be much more concerned with the number of poor people of color who are going to be incarcerated because they can't afford bail when, they're charged with something. They're simply charged with something.
Senate Bill 402 is set to go into effect January 1st. In Augusta, Ashley Jones, WJBF, News Channel 6.